Can you guess how the plural form of a French noun is formed? If you don't know the answer, watch this video till the end. Consider a basic example. Imagine you have a single cat, or in French, un chat. What if you have two cats? Would you simply add an S as in English? Well, the answer might surprise you. Let's look at these examples. Singular, un chat. Plural, des chats. Singular, une maison. Plural, des maisons. Singular, un livre. Plural, des livres. As you can see, we simply add S at the end of the nouns. In French, the formation of plural nouns can vary depending on various factors, such as noun's gender and endings. Congratulations on completing your first step toward mastering the singular and plural forms in French.